Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we are of course talking a little bit more about the rollout of the May 2020 update. So of course, as it's rolling out, there are things that can happen and can be showing up as they're rolling out to different manufacturers and PCs. So if you have a Lenovo laptop, the May 2020 update probably won't show up, and is not recommended for you to actually force it on a Lenovo PC. So what happens is that Microsoft and the manufacturer have talked about issues that could pop up on Lenovo machines. So if you have one of those brand PCs, just wait. It seems that the update will come from Lenovo itself. It has to update some of the drivers and some of the software that they have on their computers. So another example very often of how manufacturers are often to blame more than Microsoft for some of the problems that might be in Windows. So if you have a Lenovo, right now the updates are blocked for pretty much most of the Lenovo machines. I don't know if it affects every or all of the Lenovo brand, but at least a big chunk of it, because a lot of people have been saying that they had seen Windows 10 May 2020 update appear on the Windows Update in their Lenovo machines, and now they say, well, did they pull it? Because it's not, I don't see it anymore. And yes, on Lenovo they now put a block on your PC. Of course, like I always say, it's better to wait for it to appear naturally than to force it. And a lot of you are not seeing it. It's totally normal. It is rolling out very, very slowly. Microsoft being very cautious at the way, looking at how the upgrades are going to make sure that it is the best experience possible. So, a lot of you are saying, I don't see it, I'm worried. Don't be worried. It doesn't matter. The important thing is to have an operating system that is still supported. So if you're on Windows 10, 1903, 1909, you're all right. You're still supported, and you still got updates. It will at some point show up. So just be patient, and it will be there. So maybe a little more blocking going on with certain machines, but overall, the Microsoft still says today that they're rolling it out a little faster. A little faster, doesn't necessarily mean real fast, because it was so slow already at the beginning that possibly it's not really much more than what they were doing at the beginning. But, they want to see a little more machines now updated. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.